Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you're one of my subscribers, if you're new, hit that subscribe button. We got our monthly Bullymake subscription actually a couple weeks ago. I've just been kind of lazy and in a funk and busy at work and busy with life, and yeah, not that you care. If you're not familiar with Bullymake, it's a monthly subscription for your dogs. It's designed specifically for heavy chewers. I absolutely love it. This is actually for September. As you can see, the theme of lovely, all that beer. So they have different options that comes with, I believe, but I'm not positive. So it comes with 2 toys, 2 bags of treats, and the something for them to chew on has been another bag of treats, but they're like a heavy, more durable treats. So you can see they're here looking for the treats. It usually comes with like 1 toy and then like some sort of nylabone. So let's see, the first one is going to be Bullymake Healthy Dog Treats. By the way, they're all made in the United States and I believe or Canada, but so far they all seem to come from the United States. This says just beef, vegetable, glycine, and a mixed whatever, rosemary extract. So basically it doesn't have a lot of ingredients. Oh wow, okay, so these are the something for them to chew on. So this is going to take them a minute to, but it's like little bratwursts. Sit. They're like little bratwursts. Take it. High five. Yes. I know you're going to want that and you're going to run away. While you run away, I'm going to open up the next thing, which is pretzel. So it is a tough Nyla Chew by Bullymake. So they love the Nyla Chews, but like they'll play with it for a little while, then they'll get bored with it. So you gotta like add peanut butter or something like that for them to continue to play with it. At least I do. Some people's dogs don't. Mine, as you can see, it comes with some wrapping, so you know that it's a fresh toy, and that it is a pretzel. I'm gonna give that to them in a second while they chew on their toy, like their treat, which looks like it's gonna take them a little while to chew on that. The next thing is a keg. So it is a Bullymake keg. And then it has an opening on the bottom so you can put treats and stuff in there, and then they kind of like gotta bang it around to get the treats out. So we more end up using these to play catch and fetch and stuff like that. Sorry, just got off work, kind of lazy mode. The next bag of treats is going to be the beer bites. As you can see over here, she just finished hers, and Pepper is hiding behind the couch chewing on hers. So she'll come when I give them this. So I'm gonna trust that it got cut maybe when I was opening it. But this has peanut butter, potato, flour, starch, flour, like basically a bunch of small stuff. Don't know if you can read that, but it is the beer bites, and it probably looks shaped like little beers, if it'll let me open it. Yeah, they're like little beer glasses. Look at that. It's like a little, leave it. It's like a little beer glass, like rup, rup, rup. Rup, 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 rup. Sit. Paw. Yes. Paw. Yes. Good girl. So Pepper is picky sometimes lately, and she just dropped it on the ground. You sure you don't want it? She bit it and then just put it on the ground. So Ash is going to grab it from her. Oh, well, it's one treat she didn't like. The next bag of treats is the Bavarian hats. You can have this one, because hopefully we have this one. What does this one have? Potato, flour, duck, turkey, vegetable. What does this one, these look like? What do these look like? They look like little hats? Yeah, okay. So they're like a little hat. I don't know if you can see that, but they're like a little hat. So you don't have to take it from my hand, right? Kiss. 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 Good girl. Kiss. Good girl. So that is everything that this month came with. I'm going to give them these toys here in a second. See if they can go play with them or not. Let's see. Do you want to play with it? Do you want to play with that? Pep, you want that? You want that? Want this? Want that? You want the ball? You want the ball? No, not today. You don't want either of them today? That's it? You want more treats, huh? Well, that's everything that they got. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe if you want me to keep doing these videos. I know they're kind of repetitive if you want to see this month. I know it's late. I've been really busy. So far, I absolutely love these toys because they last. They survive. These toys take a beating, a chewing, and just everything. And yeah, I still have a lot of the original toys. I have given a lot of them away as well because, well, I have more toys than I can count. So that said, like, subscribe, and check out whatever video YouTube recommends. And thanks for watching. Bye.